Hello everyone, welcome to lanretsolutions. In today's tutorial video we are going to be looking at past question, Agricultural Science Paper 1 May June 2008 WAEC past question, and we are going to be focusing majorly on question 1 in this short video. In question 1, these are the following questions that were given or displayed. What class of manure does each of specimen A and B belong to? List 3 characteristics of each specimen A and B. List 2 precautions to be observed when applying each specimen A and B. State which of the specimen is recommended to improve clay soil, and give 2 reasons for your answer. Before I move on with the answer to the question, I would like to look at some of the observations of WAEC concerning this question number 1. WAEC observed that most of the candidates were able to name the class of manure to which specimen A and specimen B belong. Specimen A belongs to poultry droppings and specimen B belongs to NPK 15-15-15. However, in question 1, the majority of the candidates were unable to list the characteristics of specimens A and B. Also, many of the candidates could not list the precautions to be taken when applying each of these specimens A and B as demanded in question 1C. So what are the expected answers that WAEC demands from you? For specimen A, like I said, specimen A, which is a poultry dropping. Characteristics: 1, it is bulky, it is rich in microorganisms, contains many plant nutrients, improves soil fertility, capable of binding soil together, and improves soil structure, has a bad smell, improves soil temperature, it is structureless, amorphous or amorphous. It tends to be neutral in reaction. The nutrients not easily leached, lasts longer in the soil, reduces soil erosion by improving soil structure. Then the poultry dropping also is variable. It has variable nutrient concentration. And characteristics of specimen B. Specimen B is granular in structure. It has a pungent smell. It contains only few mineral nutrients. The concentration of specimen B are very high. Then the nutrients are fixed in definite proportion. It is not bulky in nature, does not reduce soil erosion, nutrients are readily available, it is hygroscopic in nature, it is easily leached, that is, does not last long in the soil. Now let's look at the precautions to be taken when applying specimen A and B. When applying specimen A, it should not be applied when fresh to crops on the field. It must be allowed not to touch the plant. It must not be allowed to touch the plant. Then specimen A should cure properly before application or fully decompose before application. Then you have to wash your hands immediately after applying specimen A. Wear protective clothing, and it should be applied when the soil is wet. Precautions to take when applying specimen B. Specimen B, do not allow direct contact with the plant. Do not apply when the soil is very dry. When applying specimen B manually, always wear gloves. Wash hands immediately after application. Do not apply to alkaline soil. Do not eat, drink, or smoke when applying the fertilizer. Do soil tests to know deficient nutrients before applying specimen B. Also, in question 1D, most of the candidates could not state which of the specimens A or B would be recommended to improve the clay soil or give reasons. So the expected answer to question 1B is specimen A. And the reasons behind this is that specimen A, it binds the clay particle together, thus opening up and enlarging the pores. Then it improves water percolation, it improves aeration, it improves soil fertility, it improves soil drainage, it also improves soil temperature in clay soil, It will also enhance the release of locked nutrients and make them more available. So these are some of the reasons why specimen A is going to be okay to help a clay soil to develop. Now we'll come to the end of question number 1. For more questions and inquiry, you can send email to lanretsolutions@gmail.com, or if you want the text version of this agricultural science question, a full text version from question 1 to 4, you can visit the link https://bit.ly/3kdions. So when you type that link into your browser, it will take you to our blog where you have access to a full version, a text version of Agricultural Science Paper 1, May 2008. To get more WAEC and NECO past questions for different subjects, you can visit our blog lanretsolutions.blogspot.com. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Bye bye.